All right. Let's see what came in the mail today. This is from SrikoBatteries.com. Came today. So let's open it. And that is me, Jeremy Williams. And the stuff that I show, unboxings or whatever, this is stuff that I purchase myself, for myself. For whatever reasons. Now this right here, let's just rip the box open. There we go. Now this right here is one of those new Heltec balancers with the voltage, the digital voltage readout, and it is the 6S. So it's the first one that I have seen hands-on. Not the first Heltec balancer, but the first one with the digital readout. Let's take it out this bag. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a tight fit. There we go. All right. Oh, so we got screws on the bottom to hold the case together. So of course I'm going to take this apart. So we can see, I'm pretty sure, they resoldered the tab on the 6S from, to the LTO port. But all the other ones that I've had, they come soldered on the NCM side. And also I want to make sure I've got a switch. I've got an on-off switch here that's pre-wired. It's got double-sided tape on the bottom, and I'm going to use it to turn the balancer off and on. So hopefully it'll be easy enough to solder the wires on that and not destroy this case. All right, so one thing to note, there is a button here on the top. I'm guessing it's, to scroll through the menu settings on a screen, I guess. Just okay. Yeah. So yes, you can see here it is already pre-soldered on the LTO side. So it's going to work perfectly for this skid bank or Yinlong or whatever LTO 6S that you might be running. And right here's the run. So this is just the regular standard Heltec balancing board, the capacitive style balancing board. And here's the run tab right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unsolder this blob, and then I'm going to solder these two wires on the two tabs here, and that way I can control it externally with this switch. So I can, so that way I don't have to unplug and plug the balancer in. So it looks like that cable is just wired parallel in with the with this screen. Okay, good deal. There's an alert button and a reset button. Don't know what that is. Anyway, so While I have this apart, I will do that. I'm not going to video it, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to solder this switch in to the run position here, and then mount it over on our battery bank over here. And then I will be ordering another one of these for the Civic because it's a competition vehicle, and that way I can turn the balancer off so it doesn't drain the main battery bank in the back, and I won't have to be unplugging it and plugging it back in. I can just flip a switch to turn the balancer on or turn the balancer off. All right, so that's it for this one. Just thought I would share.